Welcome to Maes Melangell, one of the off-grid homesteads at the Lammas Ecovillage in Pembrokeshire. It's early summer and we are moving into the season of abundance. From the gardens we are harvesting garlic tips, peas and courgettes. The ducks are laying eggs. And the goats are milking, though the kids are at the stage now where they get up to mischief, and sometimes they end up getting stuck. It's alright, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. There you go. Come on now you can move back. Go on, there you go. Yeah. This is also the time of year for harvesting tea. We have 2 bushes and they are 13 years old now. We collect the young tender tips. At this stage you could use them to make white tea, but we are seeking black tea, which is a bit more complex. We lay the tips out onto drying trays in the garden shed, where we will let them wilt for 24 hours.
Come on, pal. Get your arms up into it. Come on. Come on. Yay! I'll let you go get friends.
The storm passed quickly, and a flush of water replenished our rainwater harvesting systems. These ponds provide irrigation water for the gardens, and they're also important habitat for all sorts of watery creatures. But it's not just our water cousins that we like to support. Our feathered relatives also have a valued place here. When we built our house back in 2010, we installed a barn owl box in the attic above our bedroom. And whilst they can be very noisy birds, especially during mating season, it's an honour to share space with these beautiful beings. The tea leaves have been sitting for 24 hours now. If we were to let them dry out in this form, that would make green tea. Instead, we crush and roll them, which brings the juices to the surface. Then we leave them for another 12 hours whilst they oxidise and turn brown. Then we dry them out in the polytunnel. This is how we make black tea. Well, here we have it. 13 years old tea bushes.
I got those tea bushes for Tao's 40th birthday.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's very sweet.
Come in.
That's very exciting.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's quite something. Tea that we've grown, milk that we've milked from the goats. It's a shame we hadn't made the cups.
And the teaspoons.
And the teaspoons.
Smells good.
Well, that does smell good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's amazing.
Isn't it? What do you think?
It is tea, isn't it?
It is tea, yeah.
It's for
It's
sure.
definitely tea.
It's for sure tea, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't actually drink black tea, and I would drink this.
Would you?
I
Okay.
would drink this too.
I prefer
Yeah, I like it too.
Okay,
I'm
good.
well into it.
Good.
Hooray for the Camellias sinensis.
Cheers.
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 Yakidai bow.
Yakida.
I did weigh what we'd harvested.
Is this all of what
It says what that bush is harvested from 2 tea bushes.
Yeah.
Approximately 200 grams
Okay, right.
dried.
Yeah.
And a tea bag